Hello students, hope all of you are doing well. As you can see, this is a Gmail screen, right? And on the right side, there is a compose mail screen of Gmail. Now let us see how to compose a email message. So on the top, you can see to. So this part you're going to add the mail ID to whom you want to send the email. And this is basically the email address of the receiver. Okay, and this section you can see this is labeled by to. Okay, and it contains the email address of the recipients. So one mail can be sent to more than one receiver at the same time by using CC and BCC. CC stands for carbon copy and BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Basically, the main difference between this CC and BCC is that the recipients of the email with CC option can be seen by all the other recipients of the mail, while the mail with the option BCC, here the receivers cannot see the other recipients. Okay, so this is basically the difference between CC and BCC. The main difference between CC and BCC is that the recipients of an email with CC can be seen by all other recipients of the mail, while the recipients of the mail with BCC cannot be seen by the other recipients of the mail. After this part, then comes the subject, okay, of the message. This section states the topic of the mail so that it can be readily viewed by the receiver by just looking at the topic or subject. And the subject has to be very clear and precise, so that by looking into it, one can easily understand what the matter or what the topic is all about. Then comes, after subject, the white space. This is the body area. This section contains the main message that has to be sent. This is the body part. And the text in the body can be formatted according to the user's requirement. Okay, so basically you can format the text. Below you can see a lot of options on a toolbar, okay, like undo, redo. There's a font name, there's a font size. If you want, you can bold the part, you can give an underline, you can change the font color, you can set an alignment. There are various other options that you can use to format the body part. Okay, and finally, creating the body, all you need to do is that you just click on send and the mail will be sent to the receiver. So, dear learners, now let us see all about Google Drive. So, to open Google Drive, you can directly go to Google Apps in your mail ID, or also you can just type googledrive.com in your Google search engine. Okay, so Google Drive is basically a storage service which has been created by Google. It allows the users to store their files in the cloud, and once you upload these files or anything, files in the sense like video or photos, okay, so it can be accessed from anywhere across the world. That is, you just need a PC or even a smartphone so that you can access it anytime whenever you require. In order to use Google Drive, we need to have a Google account, that is Gmail account. Okay, so now let us focus on some of the topic related to Google Drive. First of all, we will see how to create Google documents. So to create a Google document from the Google Drive, we will select a new option, okay, or a new button. So just click on new. If you want, you can also create a folder, new folder, okay. If you want, you can also create a new folder. You can just rename it and you can just create it, okay. So to create a Google document, first we have to click on new. Then we need to choose the type of the file that you want to create. For instance, let us select Google Docs, okay, to create the document. Let us select Google Docs, okay. So once you click on Google Docs, you can see the document screen has appeared. Here you can just type your content, okay, and then you can just rename it. You can see when I have taken to rename it, the color has been highlighted. You can just rename it, okay. For example, internet, okay. We have named it as internet. And it has been saved now. It has been saved and it has been saved to Google Drive. Okay. If you want, you can also rename it. If you want to change the name, you can also rename it. After naming the file, you can also rename it. Once the document is created, just save it and rename it. Suppose let us change the name. Let us keep it docs or document. So we have changed the name from internet to document, and let it be like that only. Okay. Now let us see how to upload this document, any kind of document, how to upload it. So to upload, okay, just go to Google Drive. This is the Google Drive screen, okay. Just click on new button, select on file upload. Since we are uploading the file, so we will click on file upload. If it had been folder, then we need to click on folder upload, okay. Since we didn't created any folder, so we are going to upload a file, okay. So just click on file upload. If you want to upload any kind of file, then just click on or select file upload, and then you just locate and select the file that you want to upload. So click on file upload. Yes, now you just select the file that you want to upload and click on open, okay. It's uploading, you can see below, okay, and upload is complete now. The upload is complete. You can see over here, it's a document file, Word file, okay. It's a Word file, so it has been uploaded. Now if you want, you can also share this file, okay. You can also share the file. You just need to type the email address of the people that whom you want to send this file. By default, the Google Drive provides 15 GB of free storage, okay. But if this 15 GB is crossed, you need to buy the storage, okay. You need to buy the storage. Right now, the storage out here is 10.8 MB out of 15 GB. So there is much more space. So if this space is exceeded, you can also directly buy the storage to access this cloud storage service sponsored by Google, that is Google Drive. Okay, you can see it's 15 GB is free. After that, you can just buy or you can just purchase. Okay, so this is all about Google Drive. Thank you. Have a nice day.